Good morning and welcome to Success News section,
in which we provide world's, national, states and our society's latest news.
So let's start.
30 men have died trying to leave Ukraine to avoid fighting since war started.
PLA undergoes major restructure as it emphasizes information capabilities of war.
From spring offensive to charm offensive, the Taliban are working to woo tourists to Afghanistan.
Summit on critical minerals. The Ministry of Mines organized a summit to promote collaboration and innovation in critical mineral exploration. Secretary V.L. Kantarao stressed India's economic growth and clean energy needs, emphasizing the importance of mineral exploration. A key deal was signed to support sustainable energy and economic development.
Karnataka State Police held a farewell parade in honor of C.H. Pratap Reddy, Director General of Police, Internal Security Division, Bengaluru at 3rd Battalion KSRP. Parade ground, Koramangala at 8 a.m.
Campaigning continues in North Karnataka district where elections are scheduled on May 7. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar are campaigning in Gokak in Belgavi.
JDS suspends Deve Gowda's grandson Prajwal Revanna over sex abuse charges.
IPL 2024 final match will be telecast in PFPH followed by family dinner on 26 May 2024 at 19:30 hours.
Residents of PFPH handed over the consolidated pending list of 52 points. Let's wait and hope that PPMS will not do that and will take interest to resolve the points.
So see you soon. Bye bye and subscribe for
Latest news and headlines of the day.